A patient has a respiratory rate of 15 beat per minute and tidal volume is 500 ml. What would be the minute ventilators? 7,500, 6,500, 6,000 ml, 5,000 ml. Which one of the following is correct option? Tell me the correct options. Keep the one option in your minds. Option A is correct. 7,500 ml. Let's move to question number 2. In which mode of ventilator the patient will initiate has her own breath and does not depend on ventilator. Ventilator will only assist the patient effort. AC mode, SIMV mode, spontaneous mode and volume control mode. Which one of the following is correct? Select the one option in your mind. जी आपसे पूछते हैं कि पेशेंट खुद इनिशिएट करता है अपने ब्रेथ को और वो जस्ट ऑप्शन सी इज करेक्ट. 3. FiO2 in ventilator means fraction of oxygen, fraction of inspire oxygen, fraction of expire oxygen. All are correct. Which one of the following is correct? FiO2 means, select one options. Let's see the correct option. Option A is correct, fraction of oxygen. Number 4, PCWP means stand for pulmonary capillary wide pressure, pulmonary capillary wedge pressure, post capillary wedge pressure, pre-capillary wedge pressure. Which one of the following is correct option? Select the one. Option B is correct option, pulmonary capillary wedge pressure. Question number 5. A patient came to ER with difficulty in breathing. He was intubated and placed on mechanical ventilator. His EBG's report show that his PCO2 is 55 mmHg of Hg. To wash out CO2, which of the following parameters should be adjusted? FiO2 and respiratory rate, tidal volume and respiratory rate, tidal volume and PEEP and FiO2. Which one of the following is correct for washout CO2? Think about it and select the correct options. The correct option is option B, tidal volume and respiratory rate. To increase SpO2 in a mechanical ventilator's patient, which of the following parameters should be adjusted? FiO2 and respiratory rate, tidal volume and respiratory rate, tidal volume and PEEP and FiO2. The correct option is for increasing oxygen saturation is ऑक्सीजन सैचुरेशन ज़्यादा करने के लिए आपके पास कौन से पैरामीटर हम ज़्यादा करेंगे? मींस मरीज़ का ऑक्सीजन सैचुरेशन कम है और हम उसको ज़्यादा करना चाहते हैं. जी सेलेक्ट द वन. ऑप्शन डी इज करेक्ट, PEEP and FiO2. Question number 7. The mode of mechanical ventilator which does not allow the patient to take spontaneous breath is controlled mandatory ventilation, synchronized intermediate ventilations, assist control mode, pressure control mode. The correct option is, select the one in which patient takes spontaneous breath. Option A is correct. The mode of mechanical ventilator which has the risk of producing hyperventilations and respiratory alkalosis. Controlled mandatory ventilation, synchronized intermediate mandatory ventilations, assist control mode, pressure control mode. Which one of the following is correct? G, which one of the following is correct? In your mind, option C is correct, assist control mode. Question number 9. Which of the following mode mechanical ventilators cannot be used for weaning of the patients for mechanical ventilation? कौन सा जवाब है वो उसके लिए वीनिंग के लिए हम यूज़ नहीं कर सकते? कैन नॉट आया है, कैन भी आ सकता है, कैन नॉट भी आ सकता है, MCQs को घुमा सकता है. control mechanical ventilations, synchronized intermediate ventilations, pressure support ventilations, assist control ventilations. आप लोगों ने किन नट और किन को देखना है, उसके हिसाब से आपने डिसाइड करना है ऑप्शन को. विच वन ऑफ द फॉलोइंग ऑप्शन इज करेक्ट इन योर माइंड? थिंक अबाउट किट नट. लेट्स सी. द करेक्ट ऑप्शन is the correct option is dash. The correct option is A. कंट्रोल मैंडेटरी वेंटिलेशन में हम वीन अप नहीं कर सकते. The mode of mechanical ventilation in which there is a present breath, respiration and tidal volume, but the patient is able to initiate extra breath which is assisted by the ventilation. जी, मरीज इनिशिएट करता है अपना ब्रीथ भी और ऑलरेडी ब्रेथ वहाँ पे है भी. तो कौन सा आपके पास ठीक है? CCN के MCQs इस पे अपलोड होंगे. इस तरह आप लोगों ने इसको सब्सक्राइब करना है, लाइक करना है और MCQs को आप लोगों ने देखने हैं. इसमें करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज डी. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो.